Quite apart from the obvious environmental aspects. And speaking of security, oil tanks are not very safe at all, neither in case of fire nor sabotage. Consequently, techniques have been developed for storing oil in rock caverns. First, a cavern is blasted in the rock below the groundwater table. The water is pumped out till the groundwater tapers off toward the level in the cavern. Now the oil product can be pumped in, floating on the water bed, which is controlled by the pumps, keeping it at the desired level. The water seeping through fissures in the walls of the cavern is collected at the bottom. Now let's follow the preparation of a cavern for oil storage. As the tanker arrives, the final stage has been reached when the oil is to be pumped in. The cost of making an underground storage space of this size is only 2/3 that of building tanks of equal capacity on the surface. Valuable environment is untouched. And it is much, much safer. This lovely autumn morning road leads to a solution of the problem. But first, let's look at the point of departure. The narrow, hooked shape of Oslo Fjord allows its water very little circulation. In order to conduct the sewage away from the crucial area, a system of tunnels is being excavated. These tunnels are bored by a machine like this. Slowly but steadily, it grinds its way through the solid rock, using a laser beam for an eye, and heading for this large cavern, the site of the future sewage treatment plant. Techniques for drilling and blasting in all kinds of mountain and rock have been developed for hundreds of years. By now, these techniques have become vastly improved by the development of highly specialized machinery. As soon as the dust and the fumes of dynamite settle a little, the rubble is loaded onto trucks and taken outside. The walls and ceilings of the caverns are then reinforced and sprayed with concrete. A thin layer of concrete covers everything in here. The change of shifts gave us a good excuse to get out. Here we can see how the excavated rock is dumped into the fjord to form an attractive marina.